Seniors rejoice! Air fryer cooking can save your health. Did you know that air frying can reduce fat content in food by up to 75% compared to traditional frying? That's a game changer for healthier eating. Air frying has gained popularity in recent years, and it's easy to see why. It's a cooking method that uses minimal oil, which makes it a great option for those looking to make healthier choices. As we age, our bodies become more sensitive to the food we eat, making air frying an attractive option for seniors. Many seniors are already jumping on the air frying bandwagon, and it's no wonder why. With air frying, you can cook a wide range of delicious meals without worrying about excessive oil consumption. And let's be honest, who doesn't love crispy fried foods? With an air fryer, you can have your cake and eat it too. Or should I say, you can have your fried chicken and eat it too, without the guilt. As we age, our metabolism slows down, and it becomes harder to maintain a healthy weight. Air frying offers a solution to this problem by allowing you to cook healthy meals that are delicious and easy to prepare. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner, an air fryer is a great addition to any kitchen. Many seniors are turning to air frying because it's an easy cooking method, even for those with mobility issues. With an air fryer, you can cook a meal in minutes without having to stand for hours in the kitchen. And let's not forget about the cleanup. It's a breeze. As we age, our bodies become more prone to health issues such as obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. A healthy diet can manage these health challenges and in some cases even prevent them. However, traditional cooking methods often require a lot of oil, which can exacerbate these health issues. That's where air frying comes in. It's a cooking method that's low in fat and high in nutrients. Now you might wonder, this all sounds great, but where do I find the inspiration and guidance to put it all together? Perhaps there's a resource out there, a collection of simple and healthy recipes that can make heart-healthy eating a joy, not a chore. I recently discovered a cookbook with simple and healthy recipes to help with your meals. I would leave the link to the book in the description. Take heart disease, for example. Heart disease is one of the leading causes of death in seniors, and it's often caused by high cholesterol and high blood pressure. Air frying is a cooking method that can help reduce the risk of heart disease by allowing you to cook meals that are low in fat and high in nutrients. Diabetes is another health challenge that's common among seniors. With diabetes, it's essential to manage blood sugar levels, and air frying can help with that. By cooking meals that are low in fat and high in fiber, you can manage your blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of complications. Obesity is another significant health challenge faced by seniors. As we age, our metabolism slows down, making weight loss more difficult. Air frying can help with weight loss by allowing you to cook healthy meals that are low in calories and high in nutrients. Traditional cooking methods often require a lot of oil, which can be a challenge for seniors trying to manage their weight. Air frying eliminates the need for excessive oil, making it an excellent option for those who want to lose and maintain a healthy weight. One of the biggest challenges faced by seniors is their lack of mobility. Traditional cooking methods often require a lot of standing and walking, which can be exhausting for those with mobility issues. Air frying is an easy-to-manage cooking method, even for those with mobility issues. As we age, our sense of taste can change, and it becomes harder to enjoy meals. Air frying can help by allowing you to cook meals full of flavor and nutrients. Whether you're cooking for one or a large family, an air fryer is a great addition to any kitchen. Air frying is not just a cooking method, it's a lifestyle. It's a healthy, easy, and delicious way of cooking. And the best part is that anyone can do it, regardless of age or mobility. Air frying is especially beneficial for seniors who live alone. Cooking for one can be challenging, but with an air fryer you can cook healthy meals tailored to your specific needs. Many seniors are intimidated by the thought of cooking, but air frying is an easy method to learn. With an air fryer, you can cook a wide range of meals, from snacks to full-course meals. Air frying is also a great way to maintain independence as you age. With an air fryer, you can cook healthy meals without relying on others. And let's be real, who doesn't want to maintain their independence as they age? One grandmother, for example, was a senior who struggled with cooking after her husband passed away. She lived alone and found it challenging to cook meals for one. But then she discovered air frying and it changed her life. She could cook healthy meals that she enjoyed, giving her a sense of independence that she thought she had lost. Air frying gave my grandmother a new lease on life. She could cook meals that she loved without having to worry about excessive oil consumption or complicated recipes. And the best part is, she could do it all from the comfort of her own home. Air frying is not just a cooking method, it's a way of life. It's a way of maintaining independence, staying healthy, and enjoying delicious meals. That's why I want to encourage all seniors to give air frying a try. In conclusion, air frying is a healthy, easy, and delicious cooking method perfect for seniors. Whether you're looking to manage your weight, reduce your risk of heart disease, or simply cook healthy meals, an air fryer is a great addition to any kitchen. So if you're a senior looking to make a change in your life, I encourage you to try air frying. Click the link in the description and get yourself a copy of the Air Fryer Cookbook. You won't regret it. If you have any experiences with air frying, please share them with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Also, please let us know in the comment if you have suggestions for future videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more health-related videos. Thank you for watching.